Good morning, Jake. A mother and son story. It was 6:30 in the morning. The sun was just rising and the house was quiet. In the kitchen, Sarah was already awake. She wore her favorite blue sweater and fuzzy socks. She poured hot coffee into her favorite mug that said, "Mom Fuel." She looked around the kitchen. It was peaceful. The window was open and she could hear birds singing outside. She smiled. Just then, she heard footsteps on the stairs. Thump, thump, thump. "Good morning, Jake," Sarah said cheerfully. Jake walked into the kitchen, his hair sticking up in every direction. "Morning, Mom," he yawned. "I'm hungry." Sarah laughed. "Of course you are. What would you like? Eggs, toast, or pancakes?" Jake rubbed his eyes. "Pancakes, please." Sarah pulled out the pancake mix, eggs, and milk. Jake sat at the table and watched her. "Can I help?" he asked. "Of course," Sarah said. "Here, pour the milk into this bowl." Jake carefully poured the milk. A little spilled on the counter. "Oops," he said. Sarah smiled. "That's okay. Mistakes happen." Jake giggled. "Yeah, I'm not a chef yet." "You're learning," Sarah said. They mixed the batter together. Then Sarah poured the first pancake onto the hot pan. Hiss! Jake watched closely. "Why does it make that sound?" he asked. "It's the sound of the batter cooking," Sarah explained. "It means the pancake is getting ready to flip." "Can I flip it?" Jake asked. "With help," Sarah said. "We'll do it together." 10 minutes later, they had a small stack of warm pancakes on a plate. "Time to eat," Sarah said. Jake poured maple syrup on top and took a big bite. "Yum," he said with his mouth full. Sarah smiled and took a sip of her coffee. "No, Jake, mornings like this make me really happy." "Me too," Jake said. "I love pancake mornings." Vocabulary time. Here are some words and phrases from the story. Fuzzy is an adjective. It means soft and warm. Example: I wear fuzzy socks in winter. Cheerfully is an adverb. It means in a happy way. Example: she greeted me cheerfully at the door. Yawn is a verb. It means to open your mouth wide when you are tired. Example: he yawned before going to bed. Pancake mix is a noun. It means the powder used to make pancakes. Example: we need pancake mix, milk, and eggs. Batter is a noun. It means the liquid mix before you cook pancakes. Example: stir the batter until it is smooth. Flip is a verb. It means to turn something over. Example: flip the pancake when it is ready. After breakfast, Sarah turned on some music. A fun song started to play. Jake smiled. "I love this song." "Me too," Sarah said. She started dancing while washing the dishes. Jake joined her, doing silly moves. They laughed and danced around the kitchen like nobody was watching. "You're a great dancer," Sarah said. Jake grinned. "You're not bad, Mom." Vocabulary time. Dishes is a noun. It means plates, cups, and bowls after eating. Example: I will wash the dishes after dinner. Silly is an adjective. It means funny in a fun or childish way. Example: he made a silly face and we laughed. Grin is a verb. It means to smile widely. Example: she grinned when she saw the surprise. Jake sat back down at the table sipping some orange juice. "Mom, do you like mornings?" Sarah nodded. "I didn't when I was younger, but now I do. Mornings are peaceful, and they give me time with you." Jake smiled. "I like mornings too," he said, "especially Saturday mornings." "Why Saturday?" Sarah asked. "No school, and I get to eat pancakes with you." Sarah laughed. "Fair enough." They sat quietly for a moment, enjoying the soft music and warm kitchen light. "Do you want to go for a walk after breakfast?" Sarah asked. Jake nodded. "Yes. Can we go to the park?" "Of course," Sarah said. "Let's let our food settle first." Vocabulary time. Peaceful is an adjective. It means calm and quiet. Example: the park is peaceful in the morning. Fair enough is a phrase. It means okay, that is a good reason. Example: you do not want to go? Fair enough. Settle is a verb. It means when food goes down after eating. Example: let your stomach settle before running. They left the house with jackets on. The air was fresh and cool. The birds were still singing, and the sun was now fully up. Jake skipped ahead, full of energy. "Wait for me," Sarah called. Jake laughed. "Race you to the bench." They ran to the bench near the playground. Sarah let Jake win. "You're fast today," she said, catching her breath. Jake smiled. "It's the pancakes." They sat down together, looking at the trees. "Thanks for a great morning, Mom," Jake said. "You're welcome, buddy. It's the little things that matter the most." Vocabulary time. Skip is a verb. It means to move lightly with small jumps. Example: the kids skipped down the sidewalk. Bench is a noun. It means a long seat for several people. Example: we sat on the bench by the lake. Catch your breath is a phrase. It means to rest after moving fast. Example: I had to catch my breath after running. Buddy is a noun. It means a friendly name for a close friend or child. Example: hey buddy, wanna play outside? The little things is a phrase. It means small moments that bring happiness. Example: a kind word or smile is one of the little things. After the walk, they returned home. Jake changed into his favorite hoodie and sat on the couch. Sarah made more coffee and grabbed a book. They both relaxed in the quiet, warm house. Jake looked over and said, "Can we do this every Saturday?" Sarah nodded. "Yes, we can. Pancakes, music, dancing, walking. It's our special time." Jake smiled. "That sounds perfect." And for the rest of the morning, they read, talked, and just enjoyed being together. Vocabulary time. Return is a verb. It means to go back. Example: we returned home after the walk. Hoodie is a noun. It means a sweatshirt with a hood. Example: he wore a gray hoodie today. Relax is a verb. It means to rest and feel calm. Example: I like to relax with music and tea. Grateful is an adjective. It means feeling thankful. Example: I am grateful for my family and friends. This morning wasn't about big plans or big events. It was about a mother and her son making breakfast, dancing in the kitchen, laughing, and learning. It's the small things that create strong bonds. It's the simple conversations that build confidence. And it's mornings like this that stay in your heart forever.